Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be informing you guys how to add a new domain in Hostinger. So let's just begin. So first of all, you can see we are currently on Hostinger platform over here, and the key issue that is basically here is how do you add a new domain. Let me just zoom out a bit. All right, so I think this looks good. Okay, so basically to add a domain, you need to head over to this domain section on the left side, and you can either get a new domain or you can simply transfer your domain. So to add a new domain, if you already have it, you can click on transfer domain and simply add in here the information, and you are pretty much good to go. So you can see the pricing and everything for this, and yeah, so this is the way to do it, and I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.